初级短语1000句，每天10分钟，一个月听懂美国人。
I'll handle this.
I'll handle this.
我来处理这个。
I'll handle this.
I'll handle this.
It's your turn.
It's your turn.
轮到你了。
It's your turn.
It's your turn.
Hold on a second.
Hold on a second.
等一下。
Hold on a second.
Hold on a second.
Time is money.
Time is money.
时间就是金钱。
Time is money.
Time is money.
Not a chance.
Not a chance.
不可能。
Not a chance.
Not a chance.
I can't help it.
I can't help it.
我控制不了。
I can't help it.
I can't help it.
That's not true.
That's not true.
那不是真的。
That's not true.
That's not true.
That doesn't count.
That doesn't count.
那不算数。
That doesn't count.
That doesn't count.
How should I know?
How should I know?
我怎么知道？
How should I know?
How should I know?
Do you have change?
Do you have change?
你有零钱吗？
Do you have change?
Do you have change?
What's your excuse?
What's your excuse?
你有什么借口？
What's your excuse?
What's your excuse?
Just so you know.
Just so you know.
只是让你知道。
Just so you know.
Just so you know.
That's what I thought.
That's what I thought.
我就知道是这样。
That's what I thought.
That's what I thought.
I told you so.
I told you so.
我早就告诉你了。
I told you so.
I told you so.
He's in trouble.
He's in trouble.
他有麻烦了。
He's in trouble.
He's in trouble.
I see your point.
I see your point.
我明白你的观点了。
I see your point.
I see your point.
I need to get some air.
I need to get some air.
我需要透透气。
I need to get some air.
I need to get some air.
I'm feeling lucky.
I'm feeling lucky.
我感觉运气不错。
I'm feeling lucky.
I'm feeling lucky.
What's your secret?
What's your secret?
你的秘诀是什么？
What's your secret?
What's your secret?
I can't stand it.
I can't stand it.
我受不了了。
I can't stand it.
I can't stand it.
Better late than never.
Better late than never.
迟到总比不到好。
Better late than never.
Better late than never.
Stop messing around.
Stop messing around.
别胡闹了。
Stop messing around.
Stop messing around.
I can't promise anything.
I can't promise anything.
我不能保证。
I can't promise anything.
I can't promise anything.
It's not up to me.
It's not up to me.
这不取决于我。
It's not up to me.
It's not up to me.
Just for the record.
Just for the record.
郑重声明一下。
Just for the record.
Just for the record.
I'm so confused.
I'm so confused.
我好困惑。
I'm so confused.
I'm so confused.
You'll never guess.
You'll never guess.
你绝对猜不到。
You'll never guess.
You'll never guess.
This is your last chance.
This is your last chance.
这是你最后的机会。
This is your last chance.
This is your last chance.
Don't even think about it.
Don't even think about it.
想都别想。
Don't even think about it.
Don't even think about it.
I'm so embarrassed.
I'm so embarrassed.
我好尴尬。
I'm so embarrassed.
I'm so embarrassed.
感谢你的耐心学习，已经听到结尾了，你真棒，离更好的自己又近了一步。欢迎点赞和关注我们。如果你觉得视频有什么需要改进的地方，可以直接在评论区指出，我会认真倾听，努力改进，与大家共同进步。